Okay, so let's talk about your Zoho One management area. We can fly through this. Once you've set it up, you're not going to spend a whole lot of time in here. So, organization info. So, when you set up new areas and new sections, you want to add your information here so it picks it up, right? So, you want to edit things like time zone. Obviously, I'm GMT, right? So, let me find GMT. You'll probably type it in, can't I? GMT, yeah. Plus 12. Eastern TC plus 12. Atlantic time. British summertime, right? So I want, if something tells me the time, I want it to do it in my time, not their time. I want to know that, if someone says they came to you, they signed something up at your website at 3 o'clock in the morning, you don't want to be wondering whether that's your time, their time. You're going to put your street address in. I'll put mine in. Doncaster, state is South Yorkshire. 9PP. If you want to send, don't send me a birthday card. Country, England. Mobile. I've already put my phone number there. Mobile phone. I mean, do people really have phones anymore? I suppose officers do. I don't have an office. Website. So, what's your website going to be? Whatever that is, your main website. Mine is obviously paulnicholson.com. But it's going to be a club website, isn't it? So, save that. Get your information in there. So, when you've, top of invoices, top of club headers, contact information, it's all populated already. Right? You're going to go to applications. So, this is the same. On this left-hand bar is just the same as this, but this is just a pretty picture. So if I go to applications, those are all those ones that we signed up for. It's going to show the only person that is accessed is me, because we're a one-man band at the minute. Add applications, so you can go in and add new applications. So they're the ones that are added. Well, mail needs to be set up, so we're going to come back and do that in a bit anyway. It's going to be one of the first lessons, actually. And you can skip through and add these ones that were missing. Users, obviously just you, but in the future you might want to add more users. They're going to cost you $35 if you pay monthly, or $30 month to month. But you may find that it's justified $1 a day for the time it's going to save you. You might want to add users. Admins, that's me. Groups. So for companies, this would be a sales team and a marketing team and a install team, and for you, again, one member in this training, you're not going to use it. We may revisit that later. Verifying domains again. So here's where we can verify that one that never went. Is it going to work now? Still doesn't work, so I'm going to have to troubleshoot why that's not happy. I really do hate verifying domains, but I'll put a full section now on how to verify a domain. And mail hosting, are we going to use email? Yes, we are, but I'm going to leave that off for now. Security policies, password setting, and things like that. It's a place where you can say if somebody signs up, if you add a user, how strong does their password have to be? Do they have to get a text to their phone when they try to log in? And how we're going to block places. And then a directory of passwords, it says. So a simple directory. So the admin area, you're really just going to live in organization applications. For yourself, I kind of skip through it and go straight to whichever app I'm using. You'll see up here my links. I go straight to Zoho CRM or my inbox at the top, but you can come here and open app, right? You can get to all your apps from one place. So why it's cool is that you obviously, one login gets you into all these apps, rather than if you've used Zoho, you would have to, without Zoho One, you would be logging into one and logging into another and jumping about. So this is a place where you just jump in. You can edit your settings for each one, but we're going to go through these apps individually. But I just wanted to introduce you to your admin area. It's like any kind of admin. It's pretty intuitive to see what you need to do. All right?